Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame TV. A frame TV is designed to look like a piece of art when it's not in use, transforming your living space. It features a special matte display that significantly reduces glare, making the artwork appear more realistic. You can also personalize its appearance with various interchangeable bezels, allowing it to perfectly complement your home's aesthetic. This unique design integrates technology and art beautifully. To create a frame TV, you'll need specific components. At its core is a high-resolution 4K QLED panel, delivering stunning color and detail for both content and art. A key innovation is the matte display film, which effectively eliminates glare and gives the screen a canvas-like texture. Additionally, a specialized slim-fit wall mount is vital, allowing the TV to hang almost flush with the wall, just like a traditional art piece. The magic of a frame TV lies in its intelligent software. The dedicated art mode transforms the screen into a gallery, showcasing a vast collection of digital art. Built-in motion and brightness sensors automatically adjust the display, ensuring the artwork looks perfect in any lighting condition and conserves energy. You can also personalize your display by uploading your own photos or selecting from hundreds of preloaded masterpieces, truly making it your own. Achieving the frame TV aesthetic involves thoughtful design integration. Interchangeable magnetic bezels, available in various colors and materials like wood or metal, allow for effortless customization to match your interior. A single, transparent One Connect cable manages all power and data, minimizing clutter and maintaining a clean look. This meticulous attention to detail ensures the television blends seamlessly into your living space, enhancing its overall beauty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.